So yeah, hey everyone. Um, if you're just joining and you haven't heard of us before, I'm here representing Kinky Lemur Games. And if you haven't heard of me before, well, you probably haven't. Or maybe you have. Maybe I shouldn't judge my audience too early. I am Christina, or Exorcissa, as people know me online. Most of the time, anyway. And I am the voice of Astarte. You know, with such notable lines like, what the hell is this place? Or, kinky. And, Anyway, I'm basically just here today to show you some of the new features we've added to the game since the demo was released back in November. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's as close to red as I'm going to get for my hair, I think. And black's pretty metal, you know. Here's our new sexy opening cutscene. Yeah, let's stop right there. Not gonna show any spoilers of that just yet. Also, I apologize in advance for any unnecessary noises you hear in the background. I have a cat, and he refuses to be tamed, so. While I'm showing off some of the gameplay here, I might give some more information about the development team. As most of you know, there's a new potion there. But yeah, most of you probably heard several times, we are small, very small. We haven't grown much since the demo was released. We currently have 9 core members. We also have about, I think about 4 to 5 freelancers that help us outside of the team. Our core people include 3 developers, an engineer, audio engineer, 1 music composer, me. I write for the game and also handle voice acting direction. We also have 2 QA specialists and a 3D modeler. Yeah. Get fucked. Anyway, as I was saying, our team is entirely remote. I guess most people are, probably since COVID, but you know. Yeah, I do like the new attack animations. Oops. See, that's one of the new pages that's been added. You'll find more of them all over this, again, or not all over this beginning level, but there's going to be a second level to this, the crypt level, and you'll find most of them there, I believe. And we do have a few in the village, so good luck, fellow warriors, on collecting those. We made the decision to release the game season by season. That just basically means that every few months, hopefully 3 to 4 months, maybe longer, just depends on how development goes, we plan to release a new season update to the game that will provide new features, better visuals, and improvements. We're really excited to go on with the new seasons. In a few weeks after the release, maybe a month, who knows, we will begin work on Season 2, and in that season, let's just say the brothel will become a lot more interesting. And if you haven't heard about the brothel, well, maybe check us out and check out the brothel. And by a lot more interesting in Season 2, I do mean more than just the sex. But, you know. This is one of our new puzzle scenes. Or I guess I should say riddle puzzle. Hard to believe we did most of this on a zero budget. You know, zero budget, that word's been kind of tossed around a lot. We are technically zero budget, meaning our dev team is not currently getting paid. We do have a few patrons, and we love them oh so much, oh so much, oh so much. I cannot express how much we love our few patrons. Whichever you prefer. Anyway, we love them. But the current money we make from Patreon and other sources, since it is a small amount, goes right back into the game and its assets, and not towards our dev team. We are hoping to pay them in the future, though. Basically, what I'm saying is, I got bills to pay, and so does the rest of the dev team, I'm sure. So it'd be really nice if we could get some more patrons. If you really like what we've done so far, check us out. Our release is Monday. Toodles.